before you ask all over again, yes, I have a limited number of t-shirts. I don't spend money on clothes.
Okay, welcome to One Question with Digit. We're going to ask these guys one question and get a quick opinion. The first question is, does changing your display picture to that Facebook thing that Mark Zuckerberg asked, I'll try it again. Does changing your DP to the support Digital India little logo, the tricolor thing that Mark Zuckerberg did, does that mean you support internet.org?
Dude, that means nothing. That's what I think. That's what I think. I change my profile picture once a year, and that's during Durga Puja. And so, yeah, changing your display picture means nothing.
Yeah, it's as good or as bad as changing your profile picture when the gay rights were announced.
Yeah, it's just your choice. If you like it, do it. If you don't, no one's gonna say anything.
Yeah.
So why did people think that it was such a, like, it just means you support internet.org? Because there was one line of code that said internet.org. Yeah. So why do you think people were so quick to go nuts about it and say, major media outlets said that's what was happening?
Because internet.org is a hot keyword now. You hear about it and you have to make an opinion.
But how come so many people were so quick to judge it? I mean, look, for me, flat out, people are stupid. I get it.
I think...
I mean, like, they don't know what a but not even people. The fact is, like, my first reaction was, what does it do, this descriptor? Yeah. My question for like hours was,
are we sticking to the reaction of people in India alone, or...?
Anywhere. I mean, the online community, specifically Facebook in this case, because everything happened on Facebook.
So my question is a little legitimate because the reactions were different based on which country you're from.
Sure. What did you notice?
So when it happens in India, it's like a girl going up to her parents, a Hindu girl going up and saying, "मेरे को लड़के से प्यार हो गया," and the parents pretend to be modern and say, "अच्छा बेटा नाम बताओ क्या है?" and they say नाम समीर है, and they're like, "Oh पंजाबी या कुछ होगा," and they're like, "अच्छा कास्ट क्या है, religion क्या है?" इनसे मुसलमान है, हाय रब्बा
Where are you going with this?
it's that stupid a reaction. That's what I'm trying to tell you, is it's that immature a reaction to the fact that it had listen.
That's why even
we being a part of the .com era and being technology journalists are still not 100%, and it's okay to admit this, we aren't 100% aware of what everything that internet.org has to offer or do. We will read up on it, we will draw analytical conclusions based on our experience from it. We are educated, smart and understanding enough to notice that if you're reading an article and that has a factual or a technical error, we will be able to point it out because of our experience in the industry. But giving an opinion on something that's just started and hasn't caught on or has a foundation which is strong enough to comment upon is stupid.
I mean, from my perspective, again, here's something that happened. It points to a lot of things, right? The fact that people don't trust a Modi government, first off. It also points to, I thought it was really ironic and hilarious that people were on Facebook being angry about Facebook. I mean, you're using the same platform to be angry about it. You don't even recognize that.
At least go to Twitter.
Yeah, at least go to Twitter and be angry about Facebook.
So like no, it's limited to 140 characters. People can't write that little in India.
The same thing. People.
That's where they're stupid, no?
But so right there, my thing is like, yeah, I said people are stupid. The truth is also that they want to know more. I mean, we don't have all the answers necessarily, but I think we can ask the right questions. I mean, so a line of code shows up, people immediately assume it means something. There are almost 3 million developers, software developers in India. I think we're second to the US. Yeah. And no one bothered to check with a single developer or what that line of code does.
Yeah,
again, I will go back to Indian culture. You ask your grandfather about something. अरे दवाई खा के ठीक हो जाएगा. डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे डॉक्टर को क्या पता है?
But really what he's saying.
So-called, you know, it's of course lazy reporting. Yes, there's no denying that. But it's seriously an outrage culture. You know, it's like, so Facebook, when it first started in India, it was supposed to be this networking platform where you can build a network. Facebook used to have a network feature. I think it still does. It just doesn't get to, you know, it doesn't highlight it. So now it has become this place where you highlight it. I actually, where you go and outrage on stuff. You know, I actually remember this. So there's this joke where Captain America is writing a SMS to Tony Stark, and it's like 44 SMSs because he's basically typing out an entire letter saying, oh, go, you know, well done and thank you and, you know, best regards, Captain Steve Rogers and so on. Because he's not got a hang of it because he was on ice. That is the problem with people. They are on ice, they do not know what this thing is supposed to be. They go, oh, see, somebody said that, okay, this thing has a code which does this. They do not think whether, what support are you giving? Is Facebook going to tomorrow come and say that, okay, see, 1 million people support me? Is nobody going to ask Facebook, listen, I did not give my support, where the hell did you get this number from?
Right. But even then, like, it's not even called Internet Order anymore, it's called Free Basics.
Free Basics.
I don't know why
they
just
changed it.
Does anybody know why they called it that?
Because of the...
Because it offers
Oh,
free
yeah,
basics.
Is there basic services?
I mean, I do not watch a lot of TV series, but I think Priyanka Chopra's Quantico is a more interesting topic than this internet.org debate, because more people understand about Quantico.
He's essentially asking you to shut it with internet.org.
But I guess we'll leave it here for now. We're going to keep updating on this story because I'm sure it's going to keep developing. So we'll catch you soon. Thanks so much.
SpongeBob SquarePants.